Yes. Thank you very much. Good morning. My name is Han Bak, CEO of Chesswise, and we are an innovator in the lighting industry. Maybe you recognize this. All lights are burning during the night. And we're wondering, why is that? Well, it's because it isn't that easy to turn the lights off during night. For instance, the industrial plant, we saw a picture of Adam before. The lights are burning, and they're burning 24 hours a day. So what we did at Chesswise is develop a system to control the lights wirelessly. And it's a complete distributed system. No central computing at all. And we call all these lights, we call it light pollution. And it's costing a lot of energy and it's unnecessary. So we can do better. And for instance, in the industrial area, we have Chemelot as a client. It's a big chemical plant in the south of the Netherlands. They are replacing 1,000 lights a month, and they replacing their lights with connected lights. And by the way, the back office is controlled by Luminex. That's part of Eneco, and we are creating the network there. We also do monitoring, we do control, and this project is a nice example of how you can kill lights, and at the end of the year, Chemelot will be dark during the night. So how do we control the lights? Well, we took a look at nature. You see the swarm, the flock with birds. That's a system which is cooperating without any central control. There is no central computing. All the birds are on its own, and they're not that smart on their own, but together it's a very powerful system. And that's what we are doing too in our network. And because of that, because there's no central control, it's ultra scalable. It's not very difficult to control a few lights, but controlling thousands of lights without any central control, it's difficult. And that's what we do. We also took security very seriously. We took it up to a next level. If you're controlling wireless, you're vulnerable, you're kwetsbaar to hackers. So you have to put your security on the next level. That's what we did. We start with the design to really have the security in control. So what's the challenge? What are we facing? I'll tell you a little bit more about that. But first, what do you need to really make your system a controlled system wirelessly? You only need 4 products. In the middle, you see a LED tube, which is controlled by our unit. You simply replace the old TL tubes, and I can tell you there are 120 million of that tubes in the Netherlands, and they're not sustainable. You replace them with our tube, they create a network, you add a sensor or a switch, and your network is wirelessly controlled. You can do the same with a LED driver, also wirelessly controlled. That's all. You don't need anything more. And if you control the lights, you can also control the building. Just add a gateway and you control to a back office, and in that way you're able to control your building completely. So what's our business model? Well, we're selling the lighting installation and we're getting a one-time fee for the software. Or we can also go to a pay-for-use system if the clients want that. And on top of that, we have a recurring fee for each unit per year. It's a small amount, but once you have the volume installed, it will be a big amount for us. And additionally, you can sell services based on the data coming out of the system. For instance, smart cleaning is done with the information coming from our sensors. But you can also think of which room is available and which isn't. At this moment, we are looking for corporates to work together. Next year, investment round could be open again, but for now, it's more rolling out our lounge for real estate to replace the existing luminaires with our LED tubes, and the payback time of that is 2 years, so it's more or less a system which is paying itself in a very short time back. Thank you very much.